All right.
Recording now.
Yes, I'm gonna cover this orange side. Yep, me too, me too.
All right, I'm over here in blue right now.
Side.
Let's see some slime action, baby.
Hell yeah. All right, I got orange, you got blue.
You guys will be. You'll be backstage.
Yeah.
Why? I hear your punch now.
Oh, I have the other team. Surely, here we go.
Oh my god. Oh. Let's go. You. Punch out.
Oh, that's clear.
That is good.
Okay. Oh, they have a guy named Reaper on their team. Slayers. Not the real Reaper.
Of course not. Got blue bouncing it back over. Oh, it's been intercepted.
Oh, okay, what a steal.
Oh, nice steal. Nice, nice.
He likes painting and stealing shit, you know? That's the Bob Ross I know. Okay, Slime's getting aggressive. Oh, they're talking shit. Okay. I hear these guys talking shit. Okay.
Tosses it in. Getting close to goal here.
And looks like
Blue
they cleared
grabs it just in
Oh,
time.
oh,
It's
oh,
missed
played some
up. Oh,
defense.
orange
Oh.
got it. Blue. Oh, good shot.
What a clear, what a clear. Oh, okay. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. All right, they boosted all the way back. Looks like they're
I'm on double.
gonna clear that disc real easily there. Oh, okay. They're having some issues. Looks like Slime is playing really aggressive, and it's working out for him.
Oh, look at that. Off the bounce. Can Slime get it?
Reset station.
Someone leave for returner. Pixel, too far back. Pixel, too far back.
Orange just got it. Oh, it's been intercepted.
Oh, okay.
Good steal.
Slime's
Good
got it back.
steal.
Oh, my bad.
Uh-oh, a little bit of a biff. No worries, no worries. Oh, okay. Passes a little bit off. Man, that was real close to goal.
Orange is
Okay,
trying
they
to
could not
clear
it.
Let's go.
Oh, Slime's got it.
Alright, he
Slime
got
with the
his
stun.
stun.
Good stun.
Let me reset. Let me
Okay,
reset.
they moving the ball around, or disc, whatever the fuck.
Oh my god.
Going for a pass.
That was a weird box.
It connects.
Oh, okay, real close to the goal, real close to the goal. Oh, they're going for it.
Orange.
Ooh,
It was a weird shot.
oh man. Hopefully they can get there.
Orange is moving in fast.
Moving in fast.
Oh,
Wow.
Blue's got it.
Wow, what
Cleared
a
it, cleared
defense.
it.
Who was that cleared that?
It was a
Wow. That was real good defense.
I think it was Milky. Oh, they gotta go.
And it looks like a goal by Dot. It's alright, it's a 2, no worries. Down to happen. Let's go see what Orange Team's saying.
Okay, Milky.
I gotta get my head in.
Let's do pop split. One go right, one go left. I'm grabbing.
No, try to stop stack.
Alright, here they go. Blue's taking off with it here now.
Okay, you're slow.
Orange
Cleared
is
out their
playing a real
side.
good- Ooh, okay, looks like they slapped it.
Get that out.
Orange is playing real defensive.
Orange is passing, moving in. They got a guy down low. Oh, and a goal.
And a goal from whatever team this is.
Dot,
Another goal by
Dot
Dot.
again.
Looks like Dot
Damn.
is a scoring machine here.
Carrying the team for Orange right now.
But is he slimy? I don't think so. I don't think so.
I don't think so. I think Slime's just getting warmed up, and they're letting them get a little belief that they're going to win.
For surely. Exactly. It reminds me of, yesterday's match.
Orange has got Dix down low. Goal by Orange again.
Unlucky.
Goal by Dash. Dash score gets the goal.
Was that Dash?
It was Dash, indeed.
Oh no.
Alright, let's see what Orange is saying.
Milky, you're starting. Okay.
They're getting
Just
a
has to
little
be
cocky.
quick. Press and go.
Oh, and they fucked up. They fucked up.
Slime's coming in.
Hey, wait, I'm going Milky.
They're heading a little slower route this time, passing it down
Okay.
low.
Interesting tactic here. Taking it real slow. Oh, and
Intercepted by Orange.
Oh man, I don't think they're gonna be able to
He's
get
going-
there. Oh, looks like
Going
they're
for
playing
a
some really
crazy
good
bounce.
defense.
Wow, that was a really close
So
shot.
close. So close.
Pass low to Orange. Orange falling back. Pass it back up. Round. Going for a bounce shot.
Wow,
That was a good bank shot. That was a good bank shot. Dash forward with the go.
All right, so it looks like Dot and Dash score are the hyper carries here.
This positioning is whack. Positioning is whack.
Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, bro. Plenty of time still. 5 minutes. They could tie it up within a minute.
We all need everyone's things.
All right, Blues moving with the disc now. They want to go for a slow down pass off to the left side.
Okay.
Down low. Passing back over to the left.
Risky.
Pass behind goal.
Beautiful! Wow!
Oh, Blues still got control.
Unfortunate miss. But it's all right. It's all right. Looks like they still have control of the disc.
Blues still got a piece. Go for
That's
it.
in.
Goal.
Well
Blue.
done.
Hell
And
yeah.
Bob Ross with the goal. Check him out.
Nicely done, Bob.
That's Bob Ross right there. The painter, the stoner, the thief. All of the above.
All about them happy little goals right there.
That's what I'm talking about right there.
Let's see if Slime can come back here. They got the 2 points. Orange had a bit of a buff there, trying to clear it out.
We sit on that. Okay, now we turn around.
For sure. They're getting some momentum here. Looks like a heavy pass.
I'm on shoulder.
Oh, and it might work out.
Shoulder. Oh, shit.
Blues going for the pass. It's a bit of a bump pass.
Unfortunate miss.
Orange tried to
Went
clear.
for the quick
Got a
shot.
bad bang.
It's like
Back in
Pixel
blue
has it here.
control.
Works. Oh, it doesn't work.
Passing it over to Milky. Not going to be able to make it.
And Orange control. Blue with the snatch.
But we got Toxic with the disc. Long goal.
Oh!
Doesn't get it.
Close
Does
shot.
not get
Close
it.
shot. Blue still got it. Just goes to the.
And Bob gets it stolen, but it goes all the way to Milky. Let's see what
Got the
happens
pass
here.
in the middle.
Toxic's got the disc. He's playing real aggressive. Uh-oh, he's lagging. He's all right. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Milky's getting real aggressive. We got Bob right here in the back.
Cloud going cloud.
He goes up for a pass.
Shoulder. Back down.
And the
Intercepted.
interception.
Orange clears. Orange clears. It's beating around toward the lower side now.
Still been on it.
Blue's got control. Blue passing back to the middle.
And it looks like
Blue's kind of
Toxic's
cleared
gonna
into
have
the
the
orange
disc here.
side.
Sorry. I don't want to go on the
Blue's got control of the disc again. Pushing for a goal.
There we go. Beautiful pass. Beautiful goal by Toxic.
Nice, nice.
Beautiful goal by Toxic. Wow. Well done, Slime.
Yeah, no, they're probably gonna call out my lag.
You have to come through
That's
the
the
tunnel
one
and
lag
press
spike I had. Let's go.
team switch.
What's
They
happening
calling
here?
out a lag.
You can hear me, bro.
Blue's talking about, I think Bob,
Switch.
he's got a little bit of a lag, he said.
No, they
What happened here?
Sucks. You need to go through the orange tunnel and press team switch.
You got 2 minutes, 26 seconds.
No, dude, don't think of it like that. Don't think of it like that.
I don't know, what did happen?
Hey,
Looks
sorry,
like,
one of our guys is having a few issues. We're subbing in our...
It's one of those.
They're pulling in a sub line.
Word,
One of their
word,
guys
okay.
was
Looks like they
one of their
got it
guys
done.
was having technical issues.
Hey, hit on...
Roger that.
Please let me play.
What's the name of the orange team so I can actually call them accordingly?
Oh man, let me look it up because it was a weird name.
Is it like
was a little
Geodude?
line. Nah. Here, I'll tell you right now.
Just focus.
One
Team name is.
Us two are regrabbing. Bob, you're just gonna hold on to our feet. You're gonna go at that.
Oh, the Dabbin Cabin.
Oh, no, pixel.
The Dabbin Cabin. Hi.
The Dabbin Cabin.
No,
Alright, so Dabbin Cabin's leading 8-4 on Slime. Slime's pushing in hard, moving in fast.
Yep,
Orange
about
is
2
clear.
minutes left, and they fucked up their start. They're talking shit to each other, not looking good.
Alright, Blue's got control. Blue's trying to clear. Blue makes it halfway. Orange got it. Orange makes a pass up top.
Orange getting real aggressive here.
Going for a pass down low.
Pass it down to the bottom.
Blue
Okay,
got
but
it.
they're able to clear
Blue's
it.
got it. Excellent
Well done,
clear,
Slime.
excellent clear.
Oh, okay.
What a...
No!
Oh, it was so close!
And he biffs it. And he biffs it.
Go. We need to get that. We need to get that.
Okay, no, it's all right. Come back. It's all right.
Orange is moving. Blue's
has
in
this?
control. Blue clears.
Too much of an emergency. We had time.
Blue's got a good clear. Come on, Slime.
Uh-oh, Toxic's lagging.
Opposite room.
At the most unfortunate time. It is what it is. It is what it is.
Oh,
Okay.
Slime with the Slime jukes
Milky
him
with the
out with
play.
a buff pass.
Oh, wow, okay.
Right.
All right, Slime passes.
See what Bob
Going
Ross
for a
does here.
shot.
Oh,
Oh.
unfortunate. Unfortunate.
Falling back.
Don't emergency like that.
All right, Blue still got control. Oh, we got a stun. Mikey stuns dash. Oh, shot on goal.
Unfortunate
Oh my
miss.
goodness.
Wow, bounces off
So
twice
close.
from the rim.
Good pass. Going in for a tip. Behind.
What
And
a goal by Bob. What a goal. Came right at me. I was literally where the fucking disc came out. I fucking dodged so fast.
Nice. All right,
Terrifying.
Slime's making a comeback.
And then making
Only
that
down.
comeback. They got about 20 seconds.
To us until we reach
Let's-
close to double down.
Let's see if they can hold Dabbin cabin and get that extra 2. Take it to sudden death, maybe? Do they take it to sudden death on a round like this, even with more to go? Oh,
I
Blue's
think
got
there is
control
sudden
down
death,
low.
yeah.
All right, good clear. It might be bouncing back. Blue's got it. All right, Slime still got it.
We've got about 3 seconds here. Oh, and they might actually have it. No way! What in the world? With 1 second! The clutch is played! Slime actually fucking wins the round! Slime wins the round! And we have it recorded! And we have it recorded! What in the world? What in the fudge? Oh my
Wow.
goodness!
Who did
Let's
that?
see what they're
Who was
saying.
that?
That was Toxic, was it not? I don't know. Maybe who was it?
I'm not 100% sure. I didn't see.
I'm not positive. See what they're saying.
No, Reaper, you go. It's tough.
They got quiet on me. They're celebrating.
quiet.
They're excited. Momentum's up right now. They're
Hell yeah.
GGing each other. They're excited.
You lucky as shit.
That's good to know. Good to know. Staying slimy over here.
I'm just like, there's no way that's going in, right? Like that's just gonna be past the.
They
Alright.
couldn't believe it was going in. They're super excited. Let's see if they can push that to round 2, get that momentum going. See another win by Slime.
Do you want time out?
They're gonna be pulling a
What a
timeout for a
clutch
second.
play. Wow, down 8-0. Come back last second. 1 point win. It's feeling like
was
the
beautiful.
NFL playoffs in here.
Possession, we generally want
That was beautiful.
one guy.
Unbelievable. Wow.
We've got a
What
temporary
comeback?
timeout.
Temporary timeout. All right, roger that.
Yep, timeout on Slime side.
All right, let's see what they're saying over here in the Dabbin cabin.
Ghost lab we were moving around.
It gets crazy when you have skill.
I know you do. It's just
Little pep talk over here on the Slime side.
All right, that's good. That's good. Over here, they're freaking out a little bit, but it seems to be keeping their cool for the most part. One of them left the party.
Oh hell.
Oh, yep, they lost their.
like literally, if you have some time.
Uh-oh. One of their teammates is in trouble with their parents.
That hurt.
Looks like they had
Oh,
to hop
shit.
off.
Let's
And that's Dot. That was the hyper carry. Scored their first 4 points for him.
Offense, Cooper.
Oh hell.
Could be a tough loss for the Dabbin cabin.
Let's all remember the beautiful time when we had the starting roster in and things were flowing. It was good.
Crunk staying
But,
positive
hey.
over here. Good to see.
We go forward together.
Got some game plan going over here. Talking about maybe doing some juking, going for some shots here.
That's what's up. That's what's up.
The first call
Let's
out
just
here.
take it as it is. Hopefully Doc can get back and get some more practice.
Very nice. Still can't believe on that last shot though. That was fantastic. What a long bank shot.
What
Fantastic.
and you know what's fucking crazy is that he couldn't reach it, whoever's going for the goal, and it went in anyways. The craziest part.
Wow.
Unbelievable.
Right, we won.
Beautiful. I'm glad we got that on cast.
So we'll have him back.
Yeah, but
Me
we-
too.
We'll get some reps.
I know it.
No, we had back. No,
see
no,
what they're
no.
saying.
We beat it, but they got it. Yeah, I know, but they got it.
100%.
They're saying the only reason that Slime won is because that lucky shot. All right, man. A win's a win, brother.
Hell, that's right.
We'll
Hell
keep it
yeah.
going. We'll keep it going.
Unless we had.
They should have been watching. It wouldn't have went in if they'd have been watching.
Yeah, if they had one person there, it could have been Easy breezy for him, but guess
That's
they
right.
didn't want to play in defense. It is what it is.
Oh, my fault.
Round's not
and
over
looks
until
like
it's
they
over.
Messed up the
Orange has
start.
got a hit.
They got two playing back on defense. Very defensive play style from the Dabbin cabin here. Looks like
All
they're
right,
rushing
Slime's
up.
got control.
It's going to be a 1v2, 3v2 here for Slime. And
Orange grabs.
immediate catch from the Dabbin cabin.
Dabbin Cabin goes for a clear. Oh, Slime misses it. He got stunned.
Oh my god.
Slime's trying to get hold of it.
Slime's got it back, but the Dabbin cabin remains control.
They got control.
Slime's
Slime's
got
got
it
it now.
back.
Wow. They were fighting hard for it.
They were going crazy for that one. Okay.
Slime's got a
Going
good
hard,
clear.
this one's going hard. All right, they're all back. The whole Dabbin cabin is back on their side. Real defensive here. They're getting a little worried. Uh-oh. Almost threw into their own goal. Could have been
Orange
unfortunate.
clears, but Slime grabs.
Ooh. Okay, Blue.
Slime for a low pass. Oh,
Slime's coming with it. Slime's getting aggressive.
Punch closest.
Throws it back.
going for a pass mid.
A lot of strategy here. I'm liking this gameplay from Slime. Beautiful.
Oh, it was snatched by
What a
Dabbin Cabin.
save.
Dabbin Cabin clears. Dabbin Cabin's got a good clear here, right by goal.
Beautiful save.
All right, good slap by Slime. Stop that. All right, Dabbin Cabin's got control. They're in the middle. All right, it was buffed. Slime's
Looks like
got a hold of
Slime
it, got a
with a
good clear.
beautiful clear.
Nice.
Beautiful clear. They send it all the way back. Looks like they got two Dabbin cabins back here.
Slime's
And
coming in
Dot
to
is
get
back.
it. Slime stuns. Oh, he's got a chance. Oh, but he buffs it.
Not sure what happened there, but it's all right.
Slime's got control. Slime for a pass. I think it was a bit of an inaccurate pass, but battling it. Dabbin Cabin's got a hold.
You, put pressure. Right station.
Slime's fighting for control. All right, Slime's got it.
Okay, Toxic's
slap
got
pass.
the disc. Passes it over to Bob Ross.
Stopping on shield.
Oh, got a
Over to
chance.
Milky, and the goal by Milky. That's Slime time right there.
Milky.
We don't operate on any other
pass.
time but the Slime time, baby. That's what we do.
Absolutely.
Come on. Let's go.
Fantastic.
Beautiful goal by the Slime. Making the score 2-0, giving Slime the lead. You know, all they got to do is maintain this. You know, if they don't let them score one time, they win the game.
That's right.
Are they calling a timeout here? What's going on?
Because I think they're subbing.
Yeah, I think there's from what I'm hearing on the Slime side, there's a
We're going normal. We're going normal.
there's a substitution going on with Dabbin Cabin.
Oh, looks like they got Dot back in.
All right. All right,
Dot
Dabbin
is no
Cabin has a
longer
bit
in
of a
trouble with his parents. And the long goal. Oh,
oh.
does not
Dabbin
get it.
Cabin had a bit of a
Goes for the
struggle on the
retry.
start. Slime got control.
Don't get down.
Oh, and a
Dabbin
good
Cabin
clear
getting
by
it clear.
Dabbin Cabin.
Oh,
Wow,
oh,
almost got the
almost
long
a
goal.
chance
Wow.
at goal. Wow, that was close. All right, Dabbin Cabin's got control. Bit of a Slime and Dabbin Cabin had a bit of a stun issue in the middle there. All right, Slime's got control, going for a
Toxic with a
clear.
beautiful clear. Let's see if anybody from Slime can make it all the way. Wow, that was really close. That was really close.
Oh,
Can any Slime make it to
Slime
the
missing the
disc?
grab. They got
Looks
it. They
like
got it.
Dabbin Cabin misses it as well. Giving Slime a huge chance here at goal.
Oh, Dabbin Cabin gets a hold of it. Goes for it. They clear it out.
Okay, they got nobody
Yeah.
over there. Oh, wow.
All right, Slime's got a hold. He's getting rushed hard. He had
Grab
3
all
on
the
him.
way
Gets it
over.
out.
And Slime
Oh,
clears
good
it.
clear.
All the way over to the goal. Does not make it in. Does not make it in. Dot has the disc. Throws it away.
Dabbin Cabin's passing it around. All right, Dabbin Cabin's going for a pass up top. Go for a shot
And
on
a
goal.
wonderful goal. Wow, who was that?
Good shot by
That's by
Dot.
Dot. All right, looks
Came
like Dot
back.
came back.
I guess he took out the
The,
rage from his parents onto the Slime team. My goodness.
That's the way to do it, brother.
Just go tunnel.
That's the way to do it.
Go right tunnel.
All right, we got a little right tunnel action going with Slime here. Going to pass it to right tunnel. Moving in, got to clear through.
They're getting stacked by 2. Ooh, and they aren't able to grab it. They just smack it away. Let's see if any Slime can get to it. Oh, and they don't. They
Orange just got
clear
it.
it. They clear it all the way over. No slime.
Getting it back by goal. Oh, no.
And the
Oh,
beautiful
Dabbin
defense.
Cabin's got a chance at goal. Oh, they got a chance. Oh, it was saved. What a save.
Beautiful.
What a save.
What a save by Milky there. Oh, and the ball is still on the blue side.
All right, Dabbin Cabin's got a hold. It was a stun.
Ooh, and
All right,
Dot is
Slime's
having to
got
play
a hold
real
of it.
defensive. The long shot,
What do we have
and he
here?
goes for it.
What a
He's not able to
save.
connect.
What a save.
And go for it again. Another miss here by the slime team.
Come back, Reed.
And an epic clear.
Oh,
Who was
the
that?
shot. Very close. Very close. Oh, Orange had a shot on goal. Dabbin Cabin had a shot. Oh,
And they got the goal. They got the goal.
they got the goal. The name did not appear on my end. Who was it?
Yeah, I did not see who that was. Probably Dot. It looks like Dot's the team carry for their team, but you know, I'll give the rest of them
Maybe.
some respect.
All right. Whoa.
Yeah, we had no one.
Dabbin Cabin was over here in a big hurry.
Playing
All
good
right, Dabbin
defense
Cabin's
here.
got possession.
Please say something.
Dabbin Cabin got it clear. Slime's got a hold of it now. Going for clear out of their side.
Wow, passing
Going for a
around. That's very
pass.
good.
You got shoulder.
Beautiful passing by the slime team. And goes for the goal. Does not get the
Oh,
goal.
intercepted by Dabbin Cabin. They've got a great clear.
Not get the goal.
It's down low. Nobody's got control of it right now. Slime's coming back. Slime's got possession.
Slime's got it back, and
Oh,
they
it was
clear it,
knocked
but
out
does
by
not
Dabbin
work.
Cabin.
They have one going 6.
Dabbin Cabin has a shot. Going for a pass down low.
Looks like they've got
a
all four
chance.
on goal.
Pass up top. Going for
And
the
they're
shot.
gonna get the
Oh,
3
Reaper
minutes
scores
and
the goal.
20 seconds left. It's a 6-2 lead for Dabbin Cabin. Let's see if they can make it happen here.
That was a good shot by Reaper. They had a low pass up top. Nice shot in.
Let's see if the slime team can make another comeback like they did the round before.
Got a nice pass to the left side.
Red. Pass it. Make the extra pass. I'm in
Looks
back.
like they're on the ground here.
Good play.
Passing it back. Beautiful pass. Oh, and the miss.
Just missed. Just missed. Slime's got possession again, taking a pass. Double pass back.
Ooh, and the miss.
Oh, just missed. Oh,
That one by
man.
Bob Ross, I think.
What shoulder? Cross shoulder?
Toxic slowing it down for everyone.
Pass. Going.
And a
a
beautiful
goal.
goal by Milky.
Excellent
Toxic, a
shot,
great
Milky.
captain, telling everyone to slow it down a little bit. He knows exactly what he's doing. I like the team in his hands. I'm loving it here.
They jump at. They're jumping at quick.
The definition
All
of
right.
slime, bro. He's for surely pushing
Slime.
P.
Absolutely. The slime team was talking about weaknesses, saying that they keep jumping. They need to take advantage of that, slow it down a bit, make them make moves
Looks
that
like
aren't
it's gonna
there.
be a 3v. It's gonna be a
Reaper passes
3v2,
it.
3v3 on
Got a
the
chance at
slime
goal.
and they miss.
Oh, down
Let's see
low.
if slime can get it back.
Slime's got
Slime
control.
gets it
Going
back,
for a
clears
clear.
it over. See if anyone can get to it. And it looks like Dabbin Cabin will get to it first here. Oh, and they don't.
Hold on, I gotta pull off.
Pixel with the goal. The chase down.
Tie it up.
And
Very
that's what happened.
nice.
He wanted it more. That's all it was. He wanted it more than the other
right.
team. Slime
We had
wants
a
it more than
couple-
Dabbin Cabin.
I think the Dabbin Cabin should have been going playing defense instead of beating each other up back here at the Slime's goal. Not sure what that was all about.
Absolutely. I think they got the priorities messed up a little bit, but it is what it is.
I think so.
You know, they're not slimy. It is what it is, you know?
That's
So we
right.
can't say we
Dabbin
didn't
Cabin's got a
expect it,
clear pass down low. Oh! That was really close shot on goal. Slime gets
Very
control.
close shot. They try to
Tried to
clear it.
clear.
It's not going to work here.
I tried to.
And
Slime
Orange
has
gets the
fighting
disc
for
back.
it.
Bad
Slime
pass,
gets
bad
control
pass.
again.
And
Slime
a
clears.
clear by Slime. Beautiful
Excellent clear.
Let's see if that can do something here. Yep, and looks like Slime retains the disc. Passes it up to Toxic. An easy goal. Yes, it is. And that
very
gives Slime
nice.
the lead with 40 seconds left in the match. 8-6 Slime. Let's see what else they can do.
Excellent
They're
shot,
full of
excellent.
surprises today. Full of surprises today.
Good way to come back.
Wonderful play style. Let's see here. Let's see how this redrag goes. And it did not work very well.
Orange has got to clear.
Slime gets it
grabs
back,
it, moves,
clears it all the way,
push.
and looks like they're going all the way to it. They're going to be able to score another one here. And that
Oh my goodness! What a
and that's
fast
Toxic
response.
with the goal. 10-6.
Excellent.
Unfortunate. That is really unfortunate. It looks like Dabbin is going to be throwing both rounds. We'll see if they're going to go for the third, but it doesn't look like it. Seems pretty heartbroken here. Oh, it looks like they might be subbing. They doing a sub with 40 seconds left? Really?
I guess so.
Oh my god.
Oh no, they go for a forfeit? They forfeit.
Looks like they forfeit the match.
Wow. Excellent job by Slime. Way to win. Way to win.
Definitely.
That first
like they still got
round,
a-
last shot was what they
Yeah,
needed.
beautiful. That's exactly what they needed to build that momentum, build that team morale. You know what I'm saying? They needed that for sure.
Absolutely.
Looks like they got a lot of team camaraderie here. A lot of respect for the other teams as well.
Last shot.
Love to see it. Love to see it.
That was the
Oh, you guys got a bot in here spectating? Is that what's up?
No, we have two people recording. We have two casters.
That's right. We're the best casters.
We're
What you
the
talking?
casters, and I'm doing the quotation marks in my head.
Hey, you talking?
Y'all talking?
Sorry.
Yeah. Y'all can't even see me.
If you want to play again, always just DM me.
Love to see the good sportsmanship.
Yeah, we definitely.
Absolutely. And I would love to see that rematch as well. We'll definitely be here casting again when it happens. The Dabbin Cabin was a fun team to watch, especially with the Slime.
3 rounds.
Absolutely. Dabbin Cabin played a great game. Slime just had a really good lucky shot there at the end of the first round, and then they took that momentum and ran with it into round 2, made that comeback, and they got what they needed to get done.
Absolutely. Unfortunately, Dabbin Cabin let that last lucky shot just kill their morale. And, it was just all downhill from there. You know, they got the lead in the second round as well, and they gave that one up. Slime just wanted it more.
I'm going
It is what it
Absolutely.
is.
Absolutely.
Well, all right. I think I'm going to be signing off of this cast. Good game, fellas. Excellent job.
Stay slimy. Slime Lion here with Slime Reaper, you know, casting like always.
That's right.
All right, y'all. Stay slimy. Till next time. Peace.